Hello everyone, welcome back in this new video. In today's video, I want to show you the easiest method on how to install Battle.net and World of Warcraft on Linux. And to do this, we're going to use an application called Faugus Launcher, which is a game launcher that lets you install Battle.net and all of its games, and also even more. This is literally the easiest way. I've seen many posts on Reddit so asking how to install this, and people keep recommending loot trees, and these methods are just harder and they're probably even less stable than Faugus Launcher. So this is the easiest way, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to set it up, how to install it, and it's super easy. There's literally nothing basically to set up, so let's install it. Now if you're on Bazzite, you can have Bazaar, which is like the graphical user interface store where you can install Faugus Launcher from, or if you are on other distros, you have probably GNOME Software or Discover or the Linux Mint Software Manager. So if you want, you can install Faugus Launcher from there. Now I'm on CacheOS and I don't have Discover installed, so I'm going to install Faugus Launcher from the terminal. So I'm going to copy the command here and install it from the terminal. I'm going to paste the command and install Faugus Launcher from the terminal. So here it is. It has finished the installation, so I can find it here. Faugus. So here it is. That's how it will present itself. It's pretty empty, but it's also pretty easy to understand. We have a plus icon, which I think we all understand what it means. So we're going to click on the plus icon, and here we can select what applications we want to install. So here on Windows Game, we're going to click on Windows Game and select Battle.net. Okay, so this will just install Battle.net, the launcher, and if you want to add a desktop shortcut, you can click on desktop, or also the app menu shortcut. It's this thing is called also app menu, start menu, however you want to call it. I'm going to click on these two, and here the prefix, you don't want to change anything. Also Proton, just leave it by default, and that's it. You're going to click OK. It's going to install Battle.net, and you just have to wait until the window to login pops up. So here it is. As you can see, it's installing Battle.net, and that's literally it. That's literally all you have to do. It's going to do everything for you. So Faugus Launcher is really the go-to when it comes to Battle.net and World of Warcraft. And so here it is. Now we have the login window. The login window has appeared, and so here it's telling me to close the window and wait. So I'm going to close the window, and as you can see, now I just waited like 10 seconds after closing the window, and it is done. As you can see, now we have a desktop icon for Battle.net. We also have an entry here, and so yeah, that's basically all you have to do. Now you can launch Battle.net, login into Battle.net, and install World of Warcraft, and yeah, that's pretty much all you have to do. So yeah, that's everything for this video. It's been pretty easy, so if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, because it really helps the channel grow a lot. I'm going to see you in the next video. Have an amazing day.